Good morning, students. Welcome to eSuvidya. Hope you all are fine and safe. Students, in the previous class, we have discussed that how plants react to music. Today we will discuss about a great scientist, a prominent scientist, Jagdish Chandra Bose, and what type of experiment he has conducted in order to show that both animals and plants share much in common. So Jagdish Chandra Bose was born in a Bengal Kayastha family to Bhagwan Chandra Bose. His father was a leading member of the Brahmo Samaj. His father, Bhagwan Chandra Bose, was a leading member of the Brahmo Samaj, and he was also deputy magistrate and assistant commissioner at that time. So he was born into the family of a civil servant. His father, Bhagwan Chandra Bose, was a deputy magistrate and assistant commissioner, and also we have discussed that his father was a leading member of the Brahmo Samaj. Students, you know, Brahmo Samaj was founded by Raja Ram Mohan Rai, and different types of reforms has been undertaken in Bengal and in India by Brahmo Samaj. So Jagdish Chandra Bose was a prominent scientist. A prominent scientist means very famous, very well-known scientist. He was a very prominent scientist of the world, and he conducted various research works on plants and animals. And in his research work, he mentioned that, or he proved through his experiments that both animals and plants share much in common. He also made a device known as crescograph in order to measure the growth and the sensitiveness in plants. So let's study this chapter, Jagdish Chandra Bose, in order to know more about the great scientist Jagdish Chandra Bose. Jagdish Chandra Bose. Jagdish Chandra Bose is one of the most prominent scientists of the world, who proved by experimentation that both animals and plants share much in common. He demonstrated that plants are also sensitive to heat, cold, light, noise, and various other external stimuli. He made an instrument called crescograph for the purpose. He wrote two very famous books, Response in the Living and Non-Living, published in 1902, and The Nervous Mechanism of Plants, published in the year 1926. So students, as we have discussed that Jagdish Chandra Bose is one of the most prominent scientists. What do you mean by prominent? Prominent means a very well known, famous. Okay, a very well known and famous. It's called prominent. So Jagdish Chandra Bose is one of the most prominent scientists of the world, and he proved by experimentation, or through experiments, through scientific experiments, he proved. What he proved? He proved that both animals and plants share much in common. Okay, through experimentation, he proved that both animals and plants share much in common. And also, he demonstrated. What do you mean by demonstrated? To prove or show clearly that something is true. Okay, to demonstrate means to prove or to show clearly that something is true. It's called demonstration. So he demonstrated. So what he demonstrated? He demonstrated that plants are also sensitive to heat, cold, light, noise and various other external stimuli. Stimuli means reaction. External means outside. Okay. So he demonstrated or he proved through experiments. He proved through experiments that what? That plants are also very sensitive to what? To heat, cold, light, noise and various other external stimuli or various other outside reaction. Okay. So like we the human beings or animals react to different types of stimulus. So like this the plants also react. The plants are also sensitive. So as we are sensitive to heat, cold, light, noise, etc. so also plants are also sensitive to what? To heat, cold, light, noise and various other outside reactions or external stimuli. So Jagdish Chandra Bose, a great scientist of the world, a prominent scientist of the world, he proved through his experiments that both plants and animals share much in common, and also he demonstrated that the plants are also sensitive to heat, cold, light, noise and various other external stimuli. And he made an instrument or a device known as crescograph in order to measure the what? The growth of a plants, the sensitiveness of a plants or the sensitiveness in plants, or to measure the growth in plants. He developed or he made a device named as crescograph. Okay, named as crescograph. And also he wrote two famous books. Students, as we have discussed, he wrote two famous books, Response in the Living and Non-Living. In 1902, this book was published, and The Nervous Mechanism of Plants, which was published in 1926. These are the two famous books written by what? These are the two famous books written by Jagdish Chandra Bose. So he developed a device named as crescograph, used for measuring the growth in plants or used to measuring sensitiveness in plants, and also he wrote two famous books known as Response in the Living and Non-Living, which was published in 1902, and another book, The Nervous Mechanism of Plants, which was published in 1926. So this is about the famous work of the prominent scientist, famous scientist Jagdish Chandra Bose. So students, today we have discussed the first paragraph. Let's find out some new words from this portion and try to use these new words into meaningful sentences of our own. First one is prominent. Prominent, student, it is adjective which means very well known and important. Very well known and important. Or students, famous. Okay, very well known and important or famous. So let's use it into a meaningful sentence. She was a prominent member. She was a prominent member of the city council. She was a prominent member of the city council. So let's see the next word. The next word is demonstrate. Demonstrate. It's a verb, means to prove, to show clearly that something is true. Something is true. Students, as we have discussed that Jagdish Chandra Bose demonstrated that plants are also sensitive to heat, cold, light, noise and various other external stimuli. So demonstrate means what? To prove or to show clearly that something is true. So let's use it into a meaningful sentence. Our science teacher demonstrated how plants react to music. Okay, our science teacher demonstrated how plants react to music. So students, next is stimuli. Next is the stimuli. Student, stimuli is the plural of stimulus. Stimuli is what? Plural of stimulus. Plural of a stimulus, it's noun, meaning something that cause reaction. Something that cause reaction. Okay, something that cause reaction. Let's use it into a meaningful sentence. Plants are very sensitive. Plants are very sensitive. Plants are very sensitive to external stimuli. Okay, students, stimuli is the plural of the word stimulus, which is noun, means something that causes reaction. So, sentence, plants are very sensitive to external stimuli. Last word is external. Last word is external. External, its adjective, means of or on or for or coming from the outside or coming from the outside. Let's use it into a meaningful sentence. Here, external means coming from the outside. The external layer of skin is called the epidermis. Okay, the external layer of the skin is called the epidermis. So epidermis means the external layer of the skin is called the epidermis. So external means something that is coming from outside. So students, and also we know that crescograph is a device that is made by the great scientist Jagdish Chandra Bose, and this device is used for measuring the growth and sensitiveness in plants. Okay, so you know Crescograph. Okay, Crescograph, as we have discussed, that this is a device which is used for measuring growth and sensitiveness in plants, and this device was made by the great scientist Jagdish Chandra Bose. And also we have discussed about two important books that Jagdish Chandra Bose has written: Response in the living and non-living, okay, which was published in 1902. And second important book written by Jagdish Chandra Bose was Nervous Mechanism of Plants, which was published in 1926. Okay, these are the two important books written by Jagdish Chandra Bose: Response in the Living and Non-Living, which is published in 1902, and second one is Nervous Mechanism of a Plant, which is published in 1926. And also we have discussed that Jagdish Chandra Bose made a device known as a Crescograph in order to measure the growth and sensitiveness in plants. So students, today we have discussed the first paragraph of the chapter Jagdish Chandra Bose. So you read this paragraph thoroughly and try to use the new words into meaningful sentences of your own. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you in the next class.